Okay, now you already understood the concept of max heart rate. Remember, what is our heart rate? The rate at which our heart beats in a minute is your heart rate. What is maximum heart rate? 220. 220 minus age is your max heart rate. Okay, now today we're going to learn a very important principle. It's called the fat burn principle. At what rate does your fat from the body burn? Now, the first thing that you need to understand is that what starts burning or giving you energy when you start working out. When you start working out, meaning you do warm up and you do your first initial sets, the energy that your muscles get and the calories that you burn. What is calorie? Firstly, it's a unit of energy, right? तो calorie is energy. आप energy burn करो, जितना आप energy burn करोगे उतना और कम खाओगे आप deficit में रहोगे. Remember the calorie surplus and deficit concept. Okay. Now patching that in over here, we are working out to burn calories. We are working out to burn energy. But वो energy 3 source से आ सकता है. या तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट से आ सकता है, या तो प्रोटीन से आ सकता है, या तो फैट से आ सकता है. ये तीनों हमारे बॉडी में है. तो यू डन जीनल्स क्लास एंड यू लर्न द 3 मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स, दैट इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स एंड फैट्स. राइट, हमको फैट सोर्स बर्न करना है, हमको एनर्जी फैट से लाना है. बट द बॉडी डज नॉट वर्क दैट वे. Right? When you start working out, your body first starts burning the carbohydrates, the available glycogen stores in your body. That's your carbohydrates. Hence, we say that eat a good carb-ish pre-workout and post-workout you eat something protein. Why? Because whatever banana you eat or apple you eat or whatever small you've eaten, that is going to burn faster. Once that is completed to burn, you will go to start burning your muscle, right? That is the trajectory in which your body understands to give energy source. तो पहले एनर्जी सोर्स वो कहाँ से लाएगा? वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट से आपके ग्लाइकोजन स्टोर से लाएगा. वो खत्म हो जाएगा तब वो आपके प्रोटीन्स या आपके मसल पे जाएगा और एनर्जी वहाँ से लेगा. Hence, if you've seen people lose a lot of weight very fast, it's because they've done excessive cardio and stayed in calorie deficit and depleted their muscle storages, right? Because body energy कहाँ से produce कर रहा है? आपके muscles से produce कर रहा है. But we know that that is dangerous because we want to preserve the muscle and burn the fat. Then you continue for more longer, let's say 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes हो चुका है, and your body is like, wait, this body is not going to stop. I need more energy because she's going to continue working out. That's when the body stops burning the proteins or the muscle and switches to burning the fat. Get me? So after 30 to 40 minutes of you consistently working out, replenishing your carbohydrate or your glycogen stores and your protein stores, your body switches from burning proteins or muscle to burning your stored fats. That is why the last 20 minutes, so that's from your 40 minutes to your 60 minutes, it's the most important. That is why we do cardio post. The 10 minutes or the 8 minutes of cardio that I give you, I do it post your working out. Right? The first 40 minutes I build your muscle, and the last 20 minutes when your body has learned to switch to the fat source, that's when I go and I burn your fats. Meaning I draw energy, I ask your body to draw energy from the fat surplus in your body. Understood? Now, this is like a speedometer, right? So from 1 to 10 अगर आप देखोगे 0 to 10 आपके कार्ब सोर्स जाएंगे, from 10 to 20 अगर आप देखोगे आपके प्रोटीन सोर्स जाएंगे, और अगर आप लास्ट किया और वर्कआउट में तब जाके आपके फैट्स बर्न होंगे. लाइक अ स्पीडोमीटर, आवर बॉडी हैज टू स्विच फ्रॉम दीज एनर्जी सिस्टम्स. और ऐसा नहीं है कि आपकी बॉडी डायरेक्टली फैट्स बर्न करेगी, वो किसी बॉडी के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है. बट थ्रू रेगुलर वर्किंग आउट एंड रेगुलर अडेप्टिव लर्निंग, योर बॉडी अंडरस्टैंड्स एंड मेक्स दिस स्विच फास्टर. right? I have been working on from 8 to 10 years. शायद मेरी body, और also there is no measurable way for this, so I cannot know मेरी body फटाफट fats कितने minute में burn करेगी. But I know for a fact that through adaptive learning, my body has understood that this is going to be a good exhilarating workout, so it starts burning fats faster. Of course, there are multiple more variables and contributors to this. The second point being heart rate, which is why I explained you the max heart rate concept before. Right. Now your body understands and switches to burning fats at a particular heart rate, which is about 40% to 60% of max heart rate. तो पहले आपको मैक्स हार्ट रेट कैलकुलेट करना है. आपको पता है मेरा क्या था, 220 minus 30 is 190 beats per minute. 40 to 60% का range of 190. So let me just do in the middle. 50% of 190. What would 50% of 190 be? So 50% of 190 would be 95. I should be, if I want to burn fats, roughly around plus or minus 10, around 100 or 110 का beats का heart rate for a longer time, right? So this is the fat burn principle. Low heart rate, low intensity, slower movement for a long time, right? I'm saying this slow because I want you to register this. Low, slow, prolonged with oxygen. Five principles. Low intensity, low heart rate, prolonged duration, meaning you have to be at the same heart rate for about 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes, right? Hence I recommend swimming, treadmill, walking, brisk walking on your off days. So low intensity, low heart rate, prolonged duration, low, slow, prolonged oxygen, meaning I need good amount of breathing during that time. Now imagine a candle, or candle is burning. This is a science experiment. This candle is burning and you come and you put a lid on it. या आपने उसको lid ढक दिया तो ये कैंडल जलता रहेगा कि बुझ जाएगा. रिमेंबर स्कूल साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट, ये बुझ जाएगा. क्यों? बिकॉज यहाँ पे कोई ऑक्सीजन नहीं है. तो आप ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई को कट करोगे तो द बर्निंग विल स्टॉप. अप्लाई द सेम प्रिंसिपल टू योर बॉडी. अगर आप कंटिन्यूस फ्लो ऑफ ऑक्सीजन नहीं रखेंगे तो द बर्निंग विल स्टॉप और आइदर विल बी एट अ वेरी लो रेट. Remember? So again, what is the fat burn principle? Low, slow, prolonged with good amounts of oxygen. Make sense? Now, just doing a small recap. What is the fat burn principle? Firstly, the fat burn principle has two things. Understanding the speedometer. Meaning, पहले क्या burn होता है, फिर क्या burn होता है, फिर क्या burn होता है. पहले आपके कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स बर्न होंगे, फिर आपका मसल बर्न होगा, फिर योर बॉडी विल डू अडेप्टिव लर्निंग एंड लर्न टू बर्न द फैट्स, राइट. बट फैट बर्न का प्रिंसिपल है, व्हाट इज द प्रिंसिपल? लो, स्लो, प्रोलॉन्ग विद ऑक्सीजन, राइट. लो इंटेंसिटी मीनिंग द वर्कआउट कांट बी एक्सिलरेटिंग, इट कांट बी एन इंटेंसिव कार्डियो, इट कांट बी एनीथिंग that is stressing too much. Why? Because then your heart rate will go up, right. That is be low intensity. Swimming, cycling, walking on the treadmill at an incline at a slow pace, trekking, hiking. All of these activities that control your heart rate in that range will be a great fat burn activity, right. So low intensity, lower heart rate. Lower heart rate meaning your 40 to 60% of your max heart rate. Prolonged. It has to be prolonged for 45 to 60 minutes. Why? Because only then your body will learn and switch to the fat. Body को इतना time लगेगा switch करने के लिए. Hence the prolonged and oxygen. Remember the candle burning. अगर आप oxygen नहीं दोगे तो fire will stop burning. Right? Fire needs oxygen to keep burning. Hence, if you want to keep burning, you have to keep on giving good oxygen. Got it? That's about it.